Hello, welcome to another video. Today I need to address this thing, which is the wiper arm, and I need to address it, you can probably tell, because of this. See? It's cutting in all the way, so that will probably need to be polished out if it's possible. The plastic will have to stay, or until I find another one from the scrap. But this needs to be looked at because it's too wobbly. So let's get into it. Okay. No, it's just a plastic cover. Okay. What's this thing? It's just worn out. I can probably get a second hand, but I might buy the same part. So I'll try and fix this so it's nice and solid and has lots of years of use left in it. Okay, so first thing I need to do is move the blade a bit more. Okay, so let's try and stop it there, which will give me access to this. Let's put it down. It's bad. See how wobbly it is? That needs to be fixed. Okay, what I need here is a screwdriver. Put the screwdriver. Ew, look at that. One and two. Now that looks like 15, 16 or something. I've got here 16. Ooh, 16. Look at that. It's almost like if I knew. And then for the smaller one, I'll choose 13. Look, it fits. Okay, so I know there's always an issue with these because they are rusty and they're stubborn and they don't want to go. Usually you just wobble them free, and in this case that is what happened. Look, there we are. So this is just a dummy one. The little one is just a dummy, and this one is the real one. Looks okay. I screw those on so I don't lose them. All put them in one pot, so you've got everything in one pot. So if you're missing, if you've got screws left over after you've finished your servicing or whatever, that means you've done bad. Okay, these put in as well in the pots. And I will take this and take it apart, and you'll probably need new rubbers or whatever they are, nylons. I'll probably come up with something, because I'm still waiting for the parts and I don't need to use the car. I can fix this, because it will need to be addressed, because otherwise it'll cut my windscreen in half. Okay, so see you in my next video, and I will update you on this, what I've done and whether it's been fixed. It will be fixed, I know, but it's just not sure how. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, as always. Thank you very much.